I'm eager to engage in this additional responsibility and service, building a stronger body for all of us. So I do accept this nomination, and I look forward to serving all of you with your vote. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Councillor Louijeune. Councillor Mejia? Oh, pardon. Councillor Mejia?
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair. But while I do appreciate Councillor Flynn putting my name out there, I respectfully decline. I think that it's important for us to recognize that this moment in this body requires us to really bring everyone together, regardless of our political differences. And while I know that I have the award-winning personality to do just that, I think it's important for us to recognize that the body here, right, has an opportunity to really show up in this chamber in the way that we have been elected to do so, and that is being reflective of the community that we serve and making sure that we understand that who we are accountable to are the people who put us in this seat. Yes, and because of that, the only people that I want to speak on behalf of the people that put me here. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Councillor Mejia. The Chair recognises Councillor Fernandez-Anderson.
Madam Chair, thank you. I'd like to move to close nominations.
Councillor Fernandez-Anderson moves to close nominations and proceed to the election of Council President. Is there a second? Second. Thank you. Seeing and hearing no objection, nominations from the floor for the President of the City Council is now closed. Pursuant to the City Charter, elections for the City Council offices must be made by a voice vote. When called by the clerk, each member will state the name of the person for whom they vote. Mr. Clerk, will you please call the roll?
Councillor Braden.
Councillor Louijeune.
Councillor Coletta.
Councillor Louijeune.
Councillor Durkin.
Councillor Ruthzee.
Councillor Fernandez-Anderson. Councillor Fitzgerald. Councillor Flynn. Councillor Louijeune. Councillor Mejia. Councillor Murphy. Councillor Pepin. Councillor Satana. Councillor Weber. And Councillor Worrell.
It is my pleasure to invite City Council President Louijeune to the dais. Where's the big stick? It's my pleasure to hand over the gavel to you. I wish you all the best as our President of the City Council, and may we have a successful 2-year term under your leadership.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. I am just overcome with emotion, with gratitude, and I just want to thank each and every one of my colleagues. That hug was real. We have real work to do, and I'm so excited to do it alongside each and every one of you. As everyone knows, or maybe will know, I am Ruthzee louijeune, Boston City Councilor at Large, and now your Boston City Council President. I'm not here as the first Black woman to hold this seat, and to that I honor Attorney General Andrea Campbell and former Mayor Kim Janey, who blazed the trail. Thank you to my, Thank you to my Haitian community for being here on Independence Day. This is the most important day in our culture. Yes. And you all are here. I pulled you away from your soup jumu. Don't worry, we're gonna have soup for everyone after, but thank you. I wanna thank Madam Dean, Councilor